with shuffles. So it doesn't matter what direction you're going to do a shuffle. The footwork is step, close, step. Okay, let's start with a side shuffle, which is also known sometimes as a chassé. We're going to step the right to the side, close left next to right, step the right to the side. Okay, so we stepped side, close, side. But a shuffle is syncopated, which means it has an and count in it. So instead of stepping 1, 2, 3, we're stepping 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So it's a bit faster. So side, close, side, to the right. Side, close, side. So that's a side shuffle. And we can also do that to the left, ready, and side, close, side. Okay, so step, close, step. Now looking at a forward shuffle. A forward shuffle is using the same basis of step, close, step. Say we're doing a right shuffle forward. We step forward on the right. When we close with the left, we don't quite bring the left right up next to the right, but we bring it up so that the toe of the left foot is level with the instep of the right. Okay, so it never quite catches up. So we're coming a shuffle forward, we do step, close, step. And we're on 2 separate tracks, like a train track. So we have 2 separate tracks, coming forward on the right, close with the left, forward on the right. And then we use our timing, 1 and 2. Ready, and 1 and 2. So that's your forward shuffle on the right. And then we can do a forward shuffle on the left. So you're leading with your left. Ready, and left, right, left. And again, step, close, step, step, close, step. So if you wanted to do a diagonal shuffle, it's the same thing. Say we're going on the right diagonal, step, close, step. And to the left diagonal, step, close, step. If we want to shuffle back, we're going back, say on the right, coming back, close, back. Or going back on the left, back, close, back. A turning shuffle would be the same with the footwork. So if we wanted to do a chassé quarter or a side close quarter to the right, we would step side, close, quarter. Okay, so we've still got that step, close, step, step, close, step. It's just that all that happened is we turned our head and shoulders a quarter turn to the right as we made that last step. It would be the same if you wanted to make a chassé quarter to the left, side, close, quarter. Still making that step, close, step, step, close, step. And it's the same for a half shuffle. So if we wanted to make a half shuffle, round to the right, looking over our right shoulder, we still use the step, close, step. So we step a quarter turn onto the right, close the left next to it, step a further quarter turn onto the right. We've come round. It was still the same footwork, step, close, step, step, close, step. And then if we want to go a left shuffle back again, we'll look over our left shoulder, step, close, step. So it doesn't matter which direction you want to do your shuffle, or if it's turning, it's still step, close, step.